Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator, Configuring Quantity-Based Calculators. In this video, we will learn how to configure quantity-based calculators using the WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now edit the product you want to configure. Once you are in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on Measurement. In Measurement, select the measurement type. For example, if you are selling tiles, choose Area. This tells the plugin how to calculate the quantity based on the customer's input. Show product price per unit. Check this box to display the product pricing per unit on the front end. Pricing label. A custom label to display next to the product price per unit. Pricing unit. From here, you can set the pricing unit, such as square kilometers, square meters, square centimeters, and square millimeters. Next, ensure Priced Calculator is disabled. This enables quantity-based mode. In this mode, customers enter the measurement they need, and the plugin calculates the required quantity. For example, if a customer needs 20 square feet of tiles, this plugin will calculate how many boxes are needed. Area label. This label displays next to the area input field. Area unit. This is the unit for area measurement, editable. Check this box to allow customers to enter their measurements for the product. Now, let's configure the product properties. Click on the Shipping tab. Enter the weight of the product in kilograms. Next, in dimensions, enter the length, width, and height of the product in centimeters. Next, set the area of the product in square centimeters. You can enter the volume of the product in millimeters. Once the details are added, scroll up and click the Update button. That's it. In this video, we have learned how to configure quantity-based calculators. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.